Simulating the Windows key on an old keyboard. I'm using a very old keyboard that doesn't have a physical Windows key. It does have a 5/180th of a degree connector and an /XD switch on the back, but I don't want to completely miss out on the functionality of the Windows key. Is there some group of keys in Windows 7 Pro that simulates when used together? In other words, I want to be able to take any key combination that uses when, mentally remove when and drop in this other group of keys and have the original combo work. If no such combination exists, how can I create one? I know that I could just plug in a newer keyboard that has a Windows key, but the whole point of this question is to avoid that. None of the existing Windows key questions seem to address this. The closest is this one, but it doesn't actually say how to create the mapping. This is from my work computer, so install this utility/plugin isn't a good option for me. Feel free to answer with those for the benefit of others, though.
Remap your caps lock key with a quick registry hack. The caps lock key is worthless. Paste this into a file called something like remap_caps_to_windows.reg, and double-click it. You must restart for the changes to take effect.
Control Escape brings up the Start menu. Unfortunately, it does not allow the other Windows key shortcut functions. For instance, Control Escape Pause/Break will not bring up system properties. And Control Escape R will only bring up Run if you release Control Escape before striking R, and then it'll only work if there aren't any entries in your Start menu beginning with R.
You could create a custom keyboard layout with the key remapped. Microsoft Keyboard Layout Creator may be able to do the job.
In Windows 10 the key map suggested in the accepted answer maps Z and M to B and maps B to Z. It was funny until I realized my username has an M in it. Thankfully Win 10 has the on-screen keyboard option in the accessibility options during login, but this wouldn't show up for the Run as Administrator dialog. Anyway, using sharp keys I found the correct map for caps lock to Win is this.